Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to edit the list of widgets on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the widgets menu. And here we have a list of widgets, and we can edit this menu. To do it, scroll down, tap on edit, and here we can add the widget, remove the widget, and you can also see the widget suggestions if you want to. Okay, so first let's add the widget by tapping on plus. Find the widget you would like to use. For example, maybe this one, increase contrast. And now the widget will be on the list. You can also remove the widgets by tapping on the minus icon next to the widget. Oh, my bad. It's sometimes hard to hit, but once you hit it, it will disappear. You can pin the widgets, so they will stay at the top. You can also, on some of the widgets, you can remove features. For example, you can tap right here on the icon. Come on. And then you can tap on different feature if you want to, or rather you can add another feature if you want to. Okay, here we have the current suggestions, and you can tap on plus to add this widget from the suggestion list. Come on. Like this, it will be added to the list. And you can also tap on widget suggestions here, and you can enable or disable the widget suggestions, and you can also enable or disable the smart stack hints. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to save the changes, and as you can see, the widgets were saved. And that's how you edit the widget menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.